Most people think wealth begins with a higher paycheck. Japan quietly disagrees. Walk through a typical Japanese neighborhood and you might miss the wealth entirely. No luxury cars, no oversized houses, no loud displays of success. Yet many families build financial security over decades without ever looking rich. That's the first habit, making wealth invisible. The second is called Kakeibo, a century-old budgeting method that asks one simple question before every purchase. Do I really need this? It sounds ordinary. That's exactly why it works. Third, many Japanese households treat saving as the first bill, not whatever survives at the end of the month. Even setting aside just 10% consistently can outperform years of random investing fueled by emotion. Another habit is buying fewer, better things. Instead of replacing cheap products every year, they often choose quality that lasts. The upfront cost is higher. The lifetime cost is lower. There's also a cultural preference for avoiding unnecessary debt. Credit exists, but borrowing for lifestyle upgrades is far